Hello fellow magicians, this is Calvin Sze and I'm going to demonstrate to you one of my first lessons of learning coin magic many years ago. This is David Stone's Never Two Without Four. Never Two Without Four is something that is very interesting, but when you take a look at it, some critical spectators, they'll say, why are there some unnecessary moves? So I tried to justify those moves and make that part of the routine by rescripting what I say. And the idea is pretty simple. Let me just show you what I do. First, you need to get some coins produced. That's one. That's two. That's three, and that's four. So the spectator is now paying full attention to you, and you will make a game of negative suggestion. The idea is pretty simple. You ask them to look at your hand, and everything will happen in the hand, but you will also distract them. So your job, my job as a magician, is to make you look away from my hand. With everything that happens in this room, your job is to keep an eye on my hand. Is that fair? So if you just tell them to look at something, they won't do it because you're a magician, you're so tricky, sneaky, you're not being honest. But if you say, I don't want you to look at my hand, and your job is to do the opposite, they will do it. They will probably do it. So, hi there. Oh, I'll do that later. So you're not looking at my hand. All I need is just 1 millisecond. And the coin disappears from my hand. I'll give you a second chance. Did you look away? Did you look away? The third one. Oh, because I was taking the other coin. So your job is to look at this hand, not away from it. Did you look away again? So this is it. Never two without four. So that's how I do it. If you like this, use the idea in your performance and try this out. You know that they really enjoy the game. They forget that they're challenging you, but you have demonstrated something psychologically intriguing. All right, and the other thing that people talk about, what I talked about was the psychological aspect, how you manipulate them with negative suggestion. But if there are people on the weak side of you and you're palming a coin, you're holding, concealing some coins, your movement can be not in this plane, but when there's a coin here, I don't put it down like this. I put it down like this, so protecting the angle from all sides, being as wide as possible. And you also realize in that routine, in the routine that I did, everything I did was justified by the game I was playing, how I distract them with sound, how I gesture with my hand and ask them to look away, and how I put a coin in my hand, stare at it, and then I put it down and produce another one. So if you like this, make use of it. It's okay, you could use it, and I hope I didn't reveal anything that is not mine. Thank you.